your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB. Taking care of business. Taking care of your business.
In this video I am gonna show you how to change Rackspace email password through Webmail. Number 1. Log into your mailbox at apps.rackspace.com. Number 2. Click your username in the upper right corner and then select Settings. Number 3. In the left pane of the Settings dialog box, click Security and Change It Now button. Number 4. Enter the current password that you just used to log into the mailbox and new password twice, then click Save button. Now your Rackspace email password has been updated through Webmail. You must update your password on any device that you use to check email for this mailbox. Thank you for watching.